Hello, Hammonton. This is Joe Wiessner, South Jersey's favorite real estate broker, here to deliver insider knowledge you won't find anywhere else. If you care about making smart real estate moves and decisions in Hammonton, you're in the right place. Buckle up, because I've got some key trends so that you can make informed decisions, and I promise you'll want to stick around to the end for my expert take on where the Hammonton real estate market is heading next. Let's dive in. We're pulling back the curtain on the past 3 years of real estate trends in Hammonton to give you a crystal clear picture of what's happening in our local market. By the end of this video, you'll know how the numbers stack up for single-family homes and condominiums right here in hometown Hammonton. First up, we're going to talk about single-family homes. Take a look at the chart. The numbers don't lie. Total sales in 2024 hit 102 homes sold compared to 89 in 2023 and 115 in 2022. Over the past 3 years, the total number of sold homes has declined by 12%. You can clearly see how the market volume has shifted over time. But sales volume is just the beginning. What about prices? In 2024, the average price for a single-family home was a large $427,000 per house. Compare that to $375,000 in 2023 and $338,000 per house in 2022. Prices have jumped over the past 3 years by 25%, revealing some powerful insights into the market's trajectory. And of course, one of the best indicators of value is cost per square foot. Here's how that changed. In 2024, the average price per square foot was $210, compared to $205 a square in 2023 and $188 per square in 2022. This is the preeminent metric that most real estate agents use to determine base value. Savvy buyers and sellers should also watch closely square foot averages. It's the heartbeat of property value. Enjoying the content? Show the love. If you're finding this report valuable, tap that like button. Do you know someone who could benefit? Hit share. And if you want more videos, hyper-local, just like this one, don't forget to subscribe. It's your ticket to staying ahead of the Hammonton market curve. Now, let's shift gears to condos here in Hammonton. Check out the chart. Total townhome solds in 2024 were 21, compared to 20 in 2023 and 15 in 2022. Condo sold units are on the rise, up 38% over the past 3 years. And it's fascinating to see how this sector of the market is evolving. And there's some new news on that, so stick around to the end. As for average prices, condos in 2024 averaged $299,000 a unit compared to $257,000 a unit in 2023 and $191,000 in 2022. Average sold prices for Hammonton condos have risen faster than single-family homes, proving to be good investments over time. And when we drill down into condo price per square foot, in 2024 it was $207, in 2023 it was $168, and in 2022 it was $162 per square foot. Total price per square foot over the past 3 years has appreciated handsomely by 27%. There's a wide array of condos available in Hammonton, varying from neighborhood to neighborhood. Clearly, average prices are much higher in Twin Oaks, Judy's Court, and many of the new spot lot condos that were newly constructed. All of these have sold well into the 400,000s. Who's your most powerful local real estate resource? Don't waste your time with Zillow or Realtor.com. If you want the real deal on Hammonton real estate, visit Joe Wiessner's website, thinkw.com, South Jersey's most powerful real estate resource. You'll get full access to every active property listing in Hammonton, just like a real estate agent would. These powerful links are in the description. So where's the Hammonton real estate market heading? I'll unpack the trends and driving forces for buyers and sellers who need to know for 2025 and beyond. Here's my expert analysis for the Hammonton market. As you can see, the total number of solds in Hammonton single-family homes and condos has yo-yoed over the past 3 years. However, during the same time, sales prices have increased significantly more so with condos versus single-family homes. The Hammonton real estate market is one of the most steady in the area. It's a really great place to live. However, as prices continue to increase, home buyers are having more and more difficulty with limited purchasing power. The inflation of home prices versus work take-home pay are diametrically opposed. In 2022 and into 2023, there were multiple offers on many properties. This was typically not the case in 2024. As a matter of fact, there was a real cool down in the real estate market that began in late spring of 2024, around June. That cooling has persisted as we enter into 2025. There are less properties being listed for sale, and there's less buyers in the market, but the ratio of sellers to buyers still remains about equal. My forecast for the Hammonton market in 2025 is that it's likely to be a continuance of current conditions. Stable prices at the already peak numbers, and about an equal number of sellers to buyers. But what was very different in 2024 were the number of new construction homes and condos that were brought to market in Hammonton. 19 new homes were built on Arena Court, all snapped up in a matter of months. And there were 4 very high-end condos built on Grape Street and Lincoln Ave, respectively, that sold well into the 400,000s. Most of the recent new construction solds, interesting enough, were purchased by out-of-towners. Many of the locals thought that pricing was too high, but as we found out, the new residents who moved in believed that Hammonton was a good value. More new construction is coming. It's on its way. 60 new townhomes have been approved to be built on West End Avenue. Demolition of Hammonton Package Supply and the Hammonton Produce Block are underway as the first phase of the project. Pricing on these units has not, as of yet, been released. My opinion is that this will be a real positive for this long abandoned area, and soon its highest and best use will be fulfilled. The broader economy is generally in rough shape. High inflation, especially with housing and consumer goods leading the way. Even with the new Trump administration coming in, which is strongly pro-economic, there are tremendous headwinds in the U.S. economy right now, namely the $37 trillion debt. Essentially, the United States is broke. The national agenda will be focused on deficit reduction and GDP growth. It'll take some time to implement, however, likely a year. These things don't happen overnight. It'll take some time to get home mortgage rates lower, overall inflation down, and wages up. Due to all of these factors, I expect there to be some turbulence in the Hammonton market for at least the first half of 2025 until the entire economy gets ramped up. Do you have any questions? Joe Wiessner Realty is here for you. We've got the answers. Email us, call or text us anytime to 609-400-3035 or leave a comment below. Our agents are standing by. Whether you're buying or selling, we'll connect you with one of our top real estate agents to deliver the exceptional experience that you deserve. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed and stay ahead of the Hammonton real estate curve with our South Jersey market reports. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.